I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you a recipe for sweet potato, feta, and black bean salad. This is a recipe with some great colors. It's Halloween colors, actually, because you got the black and the orange. And the feta just makes it nice and salty. So here are some sweet potatoes. They're actually the variety of sweet potato that we refer to as yams in this country, but don't be fooled. They're actually just another variety of sweet potatoes. Here's some black beans. I soaked them for a few hours and then boiled them for a while. Here is some feta cheese. I'm going to smash up the feta cheese in the bowl here. Just saves a dish. I'm going to add some chopped red onion, sweet bell pepper, chopped flat leaf Italian parsley, olive oil, red wine vinegar, and salt. And there you have a recipe for sweet potato, black bean, and feta salad.